garden seasoning's over. So we're going to preserve our garden for next year.
And we're going to show you how we do that right now.
Shed Wars is over, so now we're preparing for the fall. As we've said before, we want to expand this garden, so we're going to put a weed block down to kill all these weeds.
But before we do that, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos.
That being said, let's show you what we did. We've put some feed bags down that we've been saving to act as a weed block. Since they're paper, when they deteriorate, they'll act as compost. We're going to put some hay on top to weigh it down, and when the hay goes bad, it will also become compost. Now that we've got the hay on our weed block, we're going to water it down so it gets heavier and so it can decompose.
You enjoyed this video.
If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment.
Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos.
This is Michael.
And Stefan from Sniping Rhino Ranch.
Signing off.